Good morning. This Diwali, you have cleaned your house. What about cleaning your mind? Diwali celebration is all about emotionally feeling good, meeting near and dear ones, having good food and good time. Once basic needs are fulfilled, all of us are looking for emotional contribution from others. Emotional resource is mostly misused and misunderstood. We, all of us in our life, sometimes emotionally got bitten by others. You get emotionally disturbed whenever you see the people who ever hurted you or cheated you. You cannot focus on the task to be carried out at that time. They are like dirt in your mind. I call them rotten potatoes. The more you carry them in your mind, the more you get rotten. Do you want to remove them from your mind to lead a stress-free, happy life? In our leadership development workshop, you will learn to remove those rotten potatoes from your mind to lead a happy and healthy life, free from all psychosomatic illness arised from mind due to suppressed anger, what is called resentment. Anger, resentment and revenge generates negative emotion. We become emotional liability to self and to our organization. Our school and colleges give importance to improving our intellectual bank balance. Gain more knowledge, get more marks so that you can get a better job with better salary. If you are not emotionally sound, can you perform your job well? As said, our school colleges give importance to gaining knowledge, intellectual bank balance. But once you get into our job or into a business, we don't deal with only machines or computers, but you deal with the human computers in the form of boss, colleagues or customers. Do you remember which school you are studying in your 10th standard? Imagine one of your teachers want to impart this emotional intelligence, especially commitment to students. So he asked, how many people you don't like in the school? Let it be teacher, classmate or seniors. Someone said don't like 3 people, some said 4, some said 2, some said 5, some said 6, some said 10. Teacher said, I'm going to give you a very important assignment and this will help you to improve your emotional intelligence, especially commitment, to be successful in your professional life, in your business life, in your personal life. So if you don't like 3 people, please bring 3 potatoes tomorrow. I hope you know potatoes. If you don't like 3 people, bring 3 potatoes. If you don't like 4 people, please bring 4 potatoes. If you don't like 2 people, only bring 2 potatoes. If you don't like 5 people, bring 5 potatoes. If you don't like 6 people, still bring 5 potatoes. If you don't like 10 people, still bring only 5 potatoes, maximum number of potatoes. Next day, when the student brought these potatoes, teacher gave everyone a plastic bag or a polythene bag and asked them to keep these potatoes inside the bag. And it's saying it's a very important assignment to develop emotional intelligence, especially commitment. And ask them to tie it neatly, taking it out all the ears from the bag, make it in an airtight compartment. And what is the assignment? You must carry this bag with the potatoes for the next 30 days. On 30th day at 4:30, when the school gets over, you can throw them away. And this is an important assignment to develop your emotional intelligence. And it will help you to become successful in your career, in your profession, in your business. Imagine you can use potatoes And he said, you must carry these potatoes all the time, wherever possible. Even when you come to the school, keep this bag with the potatoes in your school bag. When you come out of the classroom during skill hours, when you come out of the classroom during school hours for any assignment, for any other activity, you can keep your school bag in the classroom. But this bag with rotten potatoes you must carry all the time, wherever possible. Even during sleeping, please keep it next to your bed. Now, tell me, what will happen to the potatoes in the 2025 test? It will start decomposing. It got rotten, smelling, stinking. So one of the students came on 25th day to teacher and said, Sir, please can I throw these potatoes? It is smelling, stinking. My bag is smelling, body is smelling, room is smelling. I am feeling very uncomfortable. So teacher said, only 5 days left. Let's practice one commitment. Because when you get into business or profession, everything will not be comfortable. If we can come out of our comfort zone, then only we become successful. All the students realize Sir is very serious about this assignment. Imagine carrying potatoes every day, it's getting more decomposed, got more rotten, it's more stinking, smelling, as if you're carrying a big burden on your shoulder. Again, on 28th day, one of the students could not bear the smelling, stinking, as if he was carrying a big burden on his shoulder. He came to teacher, Sir, please can I throw these potatoes? It is smelling, stinking, my body smelling, room smelling, as if I'm carrying a big burden on my shoulder. Please can I throw these potatoes? Again, teacher said very seriously, only 2 days left. Let's practice one commitment. Day after tomorrow at 4:30, we can throw these potatoes. It will help you to develop commitment, patience, persistence, perseverance. Because at your job, during your business, you may not like everyone. You run away from your business, you run away from your profession, that most of us will do. In spite of having all the skill and knowledge, people are not having the patience, persistence, perseverance, and not able to be successful. Even to learn public speaking, you need to come and practice and practice. Do you have the patience? So I asked them to take a 30 days challenge, even 90 days challenge to become an expert in public speaking. Because when you get into a job or into business or into attending job interviews, you have to communicate your ideas, not just certificate. So even we created this platform to practice public speaking. We got a bigger podium, we got a smaller podium. You can keep on practicing and also develop your emotional intelligence. Eradicate your fear, anxiety, worry. So anyway, let's come back to our rotten potatoes. Obviously, student realized Sir is very serious about this assignment. Imagine carrying these potatoes every day, more smelling, stinking, as if carrying a big burden on your shoulder. And today's 30th day. Today's 30th day, but it's now only 11 o'clock. You can throw them at 4:30. You're waiting when it's going to be 4:30. Every 1 hour as if one day. Ultimately, now it's 4:30. Teacher said, now you can go and throw this rotten potatoes. Tell me, how will you feel? As if big burden gone off your shoulder. As if big burden gone off. Similarly, you are carrying rotten potatoes in your mind. If you can remove them, you will feel lighter, better, and you will learn those exercises how to remove the rotten potatoes forever from your mind to lead a stress-free, happy, healthy life. Otherwise, all of us carrying psychosomatic illness. Psycho means mind, soul, body due to suppressed anger, suppressed emotion, resentment, revenge. Anger, resentment, and revenge to replace with love. Love is listening, forgiveness, and gratitude. So another 3 quality we practice is that keeping commitment, taking responsibility of self, and become trustworthy. So how to practice step by step and make it a part of your life? You will practice, learn, and you improve your values in the market, and you become leader in your area, in your office, in your society, and you lead yourself in the right action, in the right direction. So when you can lead yourself, in spite of all this emotional turmoil, to right direction, you become a leader. Most of the people, they do what they feel good. When you do what you feel right, then you become a leader. All this quality will develop as through practice and practice and practice, and you develop your public speaking skill, leadership skills by coming on the stage. Because after every topic you come on the stage, share what I understood, what I realized, what will I practice, and you will get also our workshop booklet, Idealization. You will also get this Idealization workshop booklet to carry out all the exercise in this workshop, or you want to write a note, you can write in a separate notebook also. And how to do this mental exercise, those are mentioned there. We will make you to carry on those exercise here, and we got this also set up with a hotel setup with U-shaped arrangement sitting there. So let's come and practice. Please subscribe to our channel if you want to get more videos, like about it, share your comment, call us on 9989675936 to talk to me directly, or you can visit our website lifemanagementacademy.com. You can type out Life Management Academy in the Google, you will get everything about us, everything about me. Thank you for investing your time. Listen to us and let's meet in person, or let's talk on the phone for the further action to be carried out. I'm happy that you have enough time to listen to me. Thank you. Have a great time.